Here's where the camshaft position sensor is located and how to change it on a Nissan Rogue, a 2.5 liter. If you come in from the front, you're gonna have this air box. It's underneath the air box, located right here. Can't see in the sun, it's a shadow. See that? There's that one bolt right there, and then you gotta undo the tab, pull it off, remove the nut, and then wiggle it out. It's located under the air box. I was able to twist it. Otherwise, you can undo that nut right there, and then there'll be a bracket right here that screws into here. This needs to be attached to that hose, and then this little knob goes in there. So you're gonna need to pull this up. So I'm putting it back down. Make sure to connect this hose and then get that in the groove, and then put your bracket back in. So it's underneath there from the passenger side. It's right down on top. Yeah, you see it. Right down in there, next to those two hoses.